Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. There are numerous recipes that can make your meals both nutritious and delightful. The key is to incorporate a variety of ingredients that not only nourish your body, but also tantalize your taste buds. By getting creative with spices, herbs, and cooking methods, you can transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces that promote a healthy lifestyle. Start your day with a vibrant smoothie that combines spinach, banana, and almond milk. The spinach provides essential vitamins, while the banana adds natural sweetness. Blend until creamy, and you have a refreshing breakfast that energizes you for the day ahead. For a satisfying lunch, whip up a quinoa salad bursting with flavors. Mix cooked quinoa with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and avocado, drizzling a lemon tahini dressing over the mix. This salad is not only colorful, but also loaded with protein and healthy fats that keep you full longer. For dinner, experiment with baked salmon topped with a mix of garlic, lemon juice, and fresh dill. Bake until flaky and serve with a side of steamed broccoli and sweet potato wedges. The salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that promote heart health, while the sweet potatoes offer complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Don't forget about snacking. Choose healthy options, like hummus paired with carrot and cucumber sticks. Not only is this combination crunchy and satisfying, but the chickpeas in hummus provide protein and fiber, making it a great snack choice. Dessert doesn't have to be excluded from a healthy diet either. Try mixing Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey for a light and creamy treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without guilt. Alternatively, create energy bites by combining oats, nut butter, and dark chocolate chips, rolled into bite-sized balls. They make for a perfect on-the-go snack, rich in nutrients and flavor. Incorporating these recipes into your weekly meal plan will not only support your health goals, but also make eating healthy a joyous experience. Explore the vast world of healthy cooking and don't hesitate to experiment with flavors and ingredients. You might just find your new favorite dish right within your kitchen. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, and each meal is an opportunity to nourish your body while enjoying delicious flavors.